Lesson 11, the slur. Let's do number 80. Okay, so we are in A major. She's taking away the guesswork of the scale right now. So we're back to doing just the tapes. And so what the slur is, we do more than one note per bow. So right now we're just starting off with 2 notes per bow. And I feel like this book is pretty good with getting the slurs in there. I actually love the essential elements book for slurs. That page is just absolutely solid to getting all of those the bowing really comfortable. So but another way to practice this is with just a simple scale of doing more than one note at a time. So I would do it down. So let's do it on the D string. D, E, so down. And so I'm putting that finger halfway through. My bow is doing a half note, so it's doing 2 beats. Da, but I'm putting that finger down halfway through. Da. And so that's really weird because you've been training yourself all of this time to change bow directions when you put a finger down. So slow down. This is making both hands communicate. Your brain feels like it's splitting in half. You got this though. So let's do a D, E, E, D. So it's down. Let's do that again. D, E, E, D. Again, ready, go. All right. So now let's go over to what number 80 is telling us. A, B, B, C, B, C, C, D, C, D, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, C, B, C, B, C, B, B, C, B, C, A. Oh, I was totally off with my notes. Sorry about that. So our bow was just doing this half bow the entire time. Long, 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 long. Then my fingers are changing like that. So let's slow it down. Number 80. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, down, up, down,